Ready and action. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, hello there. Hello again, and welcome to another fun day with Professor Victor Singing Eagle here at Sisseton Wahpeton College. Today is Tuesday, February 25th, 2025, and this is Lecture 10 at Sisseton Wahpeton College of Native American Literature. And without any further ado, let us get started. First things first, let's see how we're doing with our students. Let me see. Christina German, got yours here, no problem. Let me see who else we have. Nie Jiahui, still missing a student info sheet. Come on, gotta hop on it. Durain Dubois. Du Rui Bo, 没问题, no problem. Shayna Cook, Xu Shan Mei, no problem. Got yours in here. Sharon Abeta, Bei Xueling, right on. Got 2 copies of yours. And Katie Robbins, Ran Kaiting, right on. So hopefully everybody has been logging on, which reminds me, I have an announcement about that. Apparently, we have been having some difficulties, you see, logging on to e-learning. If you have been having that problem, please go upstairs or go down the hall to see Sunny, one of the IT guys. Or Sunny is the guy who's an expert at e-learning, or you can even bother the IT guys upstairs. All of them are more than happy to help you out. I'm not as good as I should be. I'm still trying to figure out how to make e-learning cooperate. So bear with me as we go through the term, shall we? All right. Now, oh, other announcements. Let's go to our email. There's all kinds of stuff. By the way, you guys know that I was gone last week due to family stuff. Long story. But we'll just suffice it to say that I'm now the clan chieftain of the runaway band of Potawatomi Indians, but we don't need to talk about that right now because I'm supposed to go through these email announcements. Right. We got a new, check your email. It says here we have a new student peer tutor, Kenyon Budak Jr. All right. Kenny, he's a senior in business administration, and he does math, Microsoft Office, and English tutoring. So if you need that help, please go over to tutorials right down the hall and have a chat. What else do we have going on? No, not that one. There was something. Oh, right. Samantha Crandall has sent out an email about resources for youth crisis. If you are having some kind of a mental health crisis or what have you, you can see her, you can see Tia, or you can check your email and scan whatever that document is. Click on some links there. And of course, Singing Eagle, yours truly is here to help out any way I possibly can. Uh, Julie Buckman says graduation forms are due by March 30th. So if you are graduating, you know who you are. You got to get that done. Other stuff. No, not the faculty. Silva. Oh, right. FAFSA. I can't even pronounce that. Sylvan Flute says you got to get jumping on that student 2025 spring semester FAFSA stuff. Check that email out. Beverly Gill. No, those are the people complaining about not being able to log on. Last one, I need to bother 2 more. Aaron Keeble says more money is available for the spring semester. Follow the link. Check your email. And the Tribal College Journal's got some more job openings. Again, check your email. All kinds of fun stuff up here. Some of you guys might actually qualify for this stuff. One more thing that I have not posted, but I should because the deadline's coming up in the middle of March, which is a writing contest based out of the library in Fargo. And creative writing contest, we need more natives. I was the only native there last year. So yeah, if you want more information, no, I'm not even going to say that. I'm just going to put a link up on e-learning for you guys so that you can check it out. Now, how are we doing on time? I bet I already yacked away 8 minutes. Nope, 5 minutes and 24 seconds. We have just enough time to do a wonderful nerding out of Singing Eagle, looking at all these wonderful packages I got from Amazon. I can't wait to open them up and see what's inside. It's the unboxing time, and it's definitely related to Native American literature. How? Well, I'm always losing my scissors, so I conveniently borrowed a box cutter from across the hall. Hope I don't cut my fingers off doing this or cut my books up. Let's have a look, shall we? Let's put this down and open it up. Open. Water lily. Yay! I believe it was one of you guys, one of my students, who actually suggested that I have a look at this book, Water Lily by Ella Cara Deloria. Oh boy, I can't wait to get started on this one. What else do we have? Let's keep nerding out for a sec. What is this? I can't wait to open it up without cutting off my fingers. Or cutting my heart out, too, for that matter. Jimmy! What is it? Ooh, plain of jars and other stories. How do I open this darn thing? Jimmy! All right! Ah! Here we go. Plain of Jars by Gary Hobson, my old mentor. Right on. Oh boy, I can't wait to see him and have him autograph it for me. Goody, goody, gum. What else do we got? By the way, these books, I might actually share some snippets for my Native American literature students. I mean, you know, that's what the whole point of this class is, right? What is this? Ooh, The Grass Dancer by Susan Power. Goody, goody. I think another student suggested that in the forum. So who knows? Maybe there's something really good in here I can share with you guys. Let me cut it open without cutting myself or the book. Is this an autograph copy? Let me see, let me see, let me see. The Grass Dancer. Oh, it's an autographed copy. All right. The nerd in me is going crazy. Right on. What else? Another book. Oh, it's like Christmas again. Christmas. It didn't open. Oh, got it. Open it some more. Open, open, open. Better World Books. There we go. Oh, I'm just making a mess. What is this? Give me. The Last of the Ophos by Gary Hobson. Yay! Is that it? Or do I have more? I got another. What is this? I don't know. It's probably a bunch of junk in this one. I think I ordered some school supplies as well. VGI. What is VGI? Did I order this? I didn't order this. What is this? I did not order this. Is this for me? It says Victor Singing Eagle, Sisseton, Wahpeton College. This is not anything I ordered. St. Patrick. I guess somebody wants me to start wearing green. I gotta send this back. This is not mine. Right. So I'll take care of that. First things first, St. Patrick. Somebody's interested in me following St. Patrick's Day. Now, that's enough of this for now. Let us get started with today's lectures. So I'm going to put these toys away, and we're going to knock off this video at 10 minutes and 7 seconds, and we're going to get on to today's lecture. Thank you so much for being so patient. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.